Okay, Mr. Tell me your name.
My name is Raviranjan Kumar.
Tell me something about yourself.
I am currently pursuing a 3 years technical course in electrical engineering at Government Polytechnic Tekari, and I am belongs to Patna district.
Yeah. Okay, why do you choose your electrical engineering? Why have not other branches?
Because I am interested in this branch, and I am from starting. I think if I go in engineering, then I am select electrical engineering because it gives a vast scope for creativity.
What is the? How can you measure? How can you use it? The ammeter. You know the ammeter.
Ammeter.
Yeah.
Once again.
How the ammeter is connected in a circuit, either series or parallel.
Ammeter is connected in the circuit in series.
Okay. What is the unit of capacitance?
Farad.
Good. My next question is that suppose you are doing some company, okay, and you have got a post like a managing director, okay. Then how can you handle your staff? How can you manage it? Every money, every things, every details.
If I am a managing director of any company, then according to requirement, according to something, according to
on the basis of situations you can handle
according
it.
To
yeah.
If I am a managing director of any company, then handle. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose that you are working in a company, okay, and you have every time give a lot of work. You are doing extra time, and you have not to get a salary for extra work. Okay, your timing is only 8 hours, but your company give you force to do more and more work. Okay, and we have get extra salary for work. Then what we do? Then what we do and what we take an actions?
If a company take work more time, then 8 hours, then I expect the company more salary for their work, that work.
Okay. My next question is that what is your ambition?
My ambition is to become a good electrical engineer.
Okay.
To serve the people.
Yeah. How much you want to get a salary from our company?
According to eligibility of me, salary about 15,000 to 20,000.
Okay, good, Raviranjan. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thanks.
Next
Welcome.
one is Next one is Gulshan. Okay, Mister. What is your name?
Gulshan Kumar.
Gulshan. Gulshan, tell me something about yourself.
Myself, Gulshan Kumar, final semester student of GP Tekari with electrical engineering. I belong from Jahanabad district in Bihar.
Okay, Gulshan, tell me something. What is your ambition?
My ambition is to set up my own space agency to provide service to country that do not have satellite launcher.
Then why you are coming in our company? If you want to go in space, then you may go other company.
Yeah, because I have only diploma degree and I am also electrical engineer. Then I experience your company. What the how the work how will interaction with employee.
But
Yeah.
but I will tell you that in our company such type of activities do not give any training to you, because space is another thing, our company is another thing. There is no relation between them.
I am also electrical engineer. I'm a good electrical engineer and I do work your companies, and that is space agency is my ambition. So I
Okay.
also work your
Okay,
company.
Gulshan.
Surely.
Yeah. Do you have any made a project in your college time?
Yeah, I have worked lot of projects in a college and a school times, like different branches like electrical, mechanical, and also agriculture.
Agriculture.
Where agriculture, yeah.
Yeah. Tell me
And
any.
also,
tell me title of
yeah,
your
yeah.
project. Tell me any one project of your title.
Wireless power transmission.
Yeah.
Wireless power transmission. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is one of the my favorite project is that, and also it is my one of the mission wireless power transmission like Tesla coil.
Okay.
Without wire flow of electron and uh, flow of electricity.
Yeah, good.
Without wire.
Okay. Yeah, Gulshan. Gulshan, my next question is that suppose you are a chairman of ISRO. Okay.
Yeah.
And you and your team doing some particular work, some particular project, and by chance your project after long time, 20 years, 30 years, you are doing too much hard working. Okay. And during the time of launching, your project may become fail by any error of computer. Okay. Then how can you manage your team?
First of all, I want to know that how my project is fail, and after the analysis, I a meeting with our employee and also give motivate him, and the I'm tell him that next time do properly work any small error.
But how can you handle? But how can you handle your whole country, because you are the responsible? You have giving a lot of money.
This is a science and experiment. It is normal. Yeah, we fail and also result good, but this is a lot of money waste. But I also explain this all the thing about to the public. Failure is important, but it is I do work perfect next time.
You are saying that in science related, failure is most important, because until it's not failure, then how can you know that what is its result? How can you approach it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, good, Gulshan. Yeah. My next question is that suppose you are doing in some particular company. Okay. And you have earning a lot of money. Okay. And by chance you have got an resume from foreign country to go the foreign country to do work. Okay. Because you are too much important for their company, and you have getting too much salary better than your company in which you are previously working. So what do you think?
Yeah.
Either you go there or not?
First of all, I love my country, and I love my country, and I love my job in India. That is depend upon situation. If important to me that I go, and if not important to me, then I do my job properly in my previous company.
Okay, good, Gulshan. You know, Gulshan, what I am observing in our country that sometime what will happen as a scientist. Okay, some politician give a lot of pressure to the scientist in our country. Have you observed it and have you seen it in news? Okay, so
Yeah.
so and if you are become any chairman of your ISRO like a DRDO, anything maybe. So how can you remove? My motive is that how can you separate the politician from a scientist? We have to give a extra thing for our scientist. Every facility we have to provide it, and there is no any there is no involvement of politics.
Sorry, last word I don't learn
I will
here.
ask you that we have to do something different by which there is no any involvement of politician in the ISRO or DRDO which are serving our country.
Yeah. First of all, I I teach him that science is not a like a subject. It is a life experience. This is not depend upon time. If you any do project, then your result is give lot of time. Yeah, a small time. But I I do I say to government to do different department to control the science and space like ISRO DRDO, and not involving a politician in that.
Yeah, we have to
Okay.
separate. We have to separate the politician from the ISRO and any other space agency.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gulshan,
Make different department to direct.
Gulshan, I will ask you.
I say.
I will ask.
I say make different department.
Yeah, I will ask you that you know what will happen in our college time, school time, what the student actually learning. They are only focused on the theory part. They are not interested much any project. So suppose listen, first let me complete. Suppose you are a suppose you are a education minister for our Bihar. Then how can you handle it this situation? How can you motivate the student to make a project? You know, practical is very much important.
Yeah. First of all, this system is our system is given. Our system is number basis. First of all, if I become a education minister of India or state level, then I forget the number basis, knowledge of number basis. Any job in India, number basis. Then any boy, any girls, any student want to good number by theory, not doing practical, and give getting a job. Then I first of all I forget this number basis.
Yeah. What will happen in our college? You know, in our branch, the girls is not too much interested to our project. They think that if I am making a project and if my name will come, then my image will be destroyed. Someone laughing on me. Their thinking is too much low. Okay, so how can you suggest the girls?
First of all, it is not a reason for girls. It is reason for boys also.
No, I'm
teacher is not involving in this.
I'm especially talking about the girls. You know, they want to separately. They are not all live freely. Okay.
I want to say I want to say her if you work any society different, then you people will laugh you. If you make any different unique.
No, listen. I am asking that how can you motivate the girls to make a project?
First of all, my I want to say that the profit of projects, the profit of discovery scientific equipment. I want to say that about this, how to work nations, and by the discover, by the practically,
How
then
can
so
you
that
convince? How can you convince? How can you motivate the girls to make your project with you?
I convinced that my experience.
By giving a lot of example. By giving a lot of example. By giving a lot of
Yeah,
equipment to
yeah.
show.
I giving lot of example. Yeah, giving lot of example and also profit of that project for our country, our life, our human life,
Okay.
and that is
Okay.
I do my 100%.
Listen, Gulshan, I will ask you that
Yeah.
in your branch, there is some girls.
Yeah, some girls have.
Tell me their name.
I think I forget that name, but one two name are Sonam
Yes.
Kumari, yeah, and
Yeah.
and also Sonali Kumari.
Okay, why? Why? Let me explain that. Why Sonam is not working with you make a project? If you give opportunity to her, then what her reaction?
First of all, I not give opportunity.
You are not
First
giving
of
the
all,
let me. You are not giving the opportunity to the girls to make a project with you. What do you think?
uh, it is not matter girls and boys. I I I give opportunity to that a student to involving me, and I comfortable
listen,
with.
Girls think that I am girls. They are trying to go back. They are not too much interested. We have to make interest them. We have to make them.
First of all, yeah, it is right, but if when I do project, then I want to comfortable with this that student. So uh, I give the opportunity voice comfort for the comfortable.
You only give the
No,
only the voice.
No, only give the voice for not for my comfortable. If girls are comfortable with me, then I also give the opportunity that.
Okay, Gulshan, my last question is that how can our company selected you? What you have a special character?
Because I have I eligible for your companies. I am diploma holder, and
How much
also I work
salary?
different types of projects.
How much salary you want expected from a company?
I expected as a JE your companies above 25,000.
25,000. You know,
Yeah.
even BTech holder do not get 25,000, and you are still diploma holder.
Yeah, as a JE, government job give the lots of money, but in a private job,
Gulshan.
starting salary.
Okay, Gulshan, thank you so much.